Alright, hello again YouTube, and welcome to another unboxing video. This time I'm going to unbox bike shorts. This is the Mille GTO from ASOS of Switzerland. So this is a long distance bike bib. So it's said to be... Sorry, that's a cat. Said to be the best bike shorts out there. Alright, so here we go. First, yeah, the packaging looks really good. It's very nice with a kind of sliding box here, so you can slide it out. And then you have to move the camera here. Come here. Show me. Come on. Alright, so this is an exciting moment. Alright, let's open it there and... Ooh, wow, look at that. Nice. Ooh, what's this? Gold leaf wrapping. Wow, look at that. Okay. Look at the gold details. Gold and gold. Gold and black. Best combo ever. Feel that material really good. So, yes, it's a bike short. And the thing with this is the padding. It's really thick. It's a long distance bib. So it's from ASOS, or maybe it's ASOS, I don't know. It's good for your ass. Alright, thank you. Thank you YouTube. Like and subscribe.